church this morning on account of both my husband and my son being thrown in jail for misuse of a donkey. While I was on my way home, I saw a neon sign that said Glory Hole, and I thought, well, that sounds just perfect. And I'm sure I heard Sister Mary say she enjoyed a visit there. It wasn't what I expected. I went into what I thought was a prayer booth, and suddenly there it was. The one-eyed serpent of evil. At first I froze, but then I remembered my combat training and flattened it with my shoe. Having dealt with one perpetrator, I demanded to speak to the one in charge, and out came this John-Benet RamsMe. I told her how appalled I was and insisted she close down her denim ear. All she said was, "Ha ha ha!" Well, that was it. I knew what I had to do. I had to raise the glory hole. Oh, not that kind of raise. I mean raise with a Z. It was time to burn this sucker to the ground. Thank you.